Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew and this is Kite Army. Today we're going to be taking a look at this bad boy right here. This is the brand new 18-inch Ego cordless chainsaw. Check that guy out. So Ego has been making chainsaws for a while. In fact, this is their third one. They have a 14-inch chainsaw and a 16-inch chainsaw. Now they could have easily just added a long bar on it and said we now have an 18-inch chainsaw, but they didn't want to do that. No way. Check that out. That is just one of the many innovations on this brand new cordless chainsaw. So why don't you come in close and I'll show you all the features. And of course, at the end, we're gonna do some testing. Let's jump into it. So if you've got some major sawing to do, you're gonna need one of these really large 18-inch chainsaws. Now, in the cordless arena, there's not many 18-inch chainsaws. In fact, I couldn't find one. There are some 14s and 16s, but Ego makes the only 18-inch that I could find. Now, it's all powered by the Ego 56-volt battery, this guy right here. This is actually the Gen 2 battery that's got the power indicator on the back there. Many Ego fans really like that. Now, as far as batteries are concerned, this is actually the 5 amp hour battery. They do have a 2.5 and a 7.5 amp hour battery in addition to this guy. Now, they don't give you any extra power, but they do give you more runtime. So depending on what you're looking for, you can select the right battery. Now, this particular chainsaw gets partnered with this battery right here. This battery and charger and chainsaw, all for about 350 bucks. There'll be a link below to Home Depot if you want to check that out. All right, so for those of you familiar with Kite Army, you know that I kind of like messing around, but when it comes to chainsaws and chainsaw safety, that's like the #1 thing. That's super paramount. And what I really like about this particular chainsaw is they have 3 unique safety features that I've never seen on a gas-powered chainsaw, an electric chainsaw, or a cordless chainsaw. So we'll look at those real quick, but before we do, I want to talk about some of the performance features of this chainsaw. It is a brushless motor, which means you're gonna get longer run times and better battery performance. So I really like that. If you're looking at a cordless chainsaw that's not brushless, I'd suggest go elsewhere. Also, for filling the bar lubricant, it's really easy. They've got a really wide mouth on the hole there, and they've got a nice sight glass so you can see how much oil you've got in there to lubricate your bar. Also, they've added some bucking spikes on the front here so you can control the saw as you cut through the wood. That's a really nice safety feature / performance feature. So now the more important things are the safety features. Let me show you them. So I showed you this at the beginning of the video. There's an LED light right above the bar, and that might not seem like a safety feature, but if you can see what you're doing, that means you can operate the saw more safely. There's 2 levels of light. There's low level and high level. The other really unique feature to this saw that I've never seen on any other model is there's an auto locking and auto tensioner for the chain here. So all you do is tighten it all the way up, and it will set the blade to the proper tension. That's really easy, and the reason why that's a safety feature is if this blade gets really loose and comes off the bar, it can kick back and hurt the operator. The last safety feature is kind of subtle, but I want to talk to you about it because it's really important. It's the blade kickback brake, this guy right here. So basically when it's on like this, it means the blade can spin freely. When it's locked like this, it'll instantly stop that blade. But what's unique about this model, it's got a really nice red mark right there to tell you the blade is in locked mode. When you pull it forward, again, it can spin. This thing could really protect you from serious injury. Let me show you how it works. Now that we've got that business out of the way, why don't we find out how much juice this chainsaw has? I mean, there's no sense of having an 18-inch cordless chainsaw if you can't pack the heat. All right, guys, so it's time for the wrap-up. Overall, I'm really impressed with this brand new Ego 18-inch chainsaw. The big question was, does it have enough power to drive that 18-inch blade? And I'd have to say, absolutely yes. Today I was cutting a 16-inch log with it, but I felt like I had extra juice, and I'm certain I could do an 18-inch log no problem. I just didn't have one. Also, the safety features on this are bar none. It really means that if you're not an arborist, not using a chainsaw all the time, you can use this with just a little bit added layer of safety, which is good for all of us. You don't want to get hurt using one of these, so I really like that. Also, if you're in the Ego platform, the batteries fit from your other tools into this. I suspect down the road they'll probably have a bare chainsaw coming, so you won't have to buy it with the battery. If you don't have Ego tools, they do sell it with the battery and charger for about 350 bucks. It's a really good value considering it's an 18-inch chainsaw. So being this is a cordless chainsaw, you don't have to worry about all those headaches you get with gas tools like starting, noise, the exhaust, the maintenance. Who wants all that? You just basically charge your battery on this guy, put it in, and you can start cutting down trees. Really easy, really awesome. So anyway, with that, guys, we got to end this. So if you could, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, check out all my other content, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys around real soon.